Many believe babies breathe air inside their mothers just like we do in the outside world. This is understandable, but ultimately incorrect. Babies in the womb live in a watery world surrounded by protective amniotic fluid. Taking a breath in this environment would be impossible and extremely dangerous. Instead, a remarkable system exists to provide oxygen and remove waste products efficiently. This system centers around the placenta, an organ that acts as the baby's essential lifeline. The placenta is a unique and fascinating organ that develops during pregnancy. It attaches firmly to the wall of the uterus and connects to the baby via the umbilical cord. Think of it as a combination of lungs, stomach, and kidneys, all rolled into one amazing organ. The placenta's intricate network of blood vessels allows for the exchange of vital substances between the mother and baby. Importantly, the mother's and baby's blood never actually mix, ensuring safety for both. Oxygen-rich blood travels from the mother's lungs to the placenta. This journey begins when the mother inhales, filling her lungs with fresh oxygen. The oxygen then binds to hemoglobin in her red blood cells and is transported through her bloodstream to the placenta. Here, the oxygen molecules cross a thin membrane and enter the baby's bloodstream through the umbilical cord. This membrane acts as a selective barrier, allowing essential nutrients and oxygen to pass through while keeping harmful substances out. The umbilical cord, a lifeline between mother and baby, ensures that the baby receives all the necessary elements for growth and development. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide and other waste products move from the baby's blood to the mother's system for disposal. This process is crucial for maintaining a healthy environment for the developing baby. The mother's body then expels these waste products through her own respiratory and excretory systems. This elegant exchange ensures the baby receives a constant supply of oxygen without ever taking a breath. The placenta's role is vital, acting as the baby's lungs, kidneys, and digestive system all in one. It supports the baby's growth and development throughout the entire pregnancy. The placenta truly showcases the wonders of human biology. It is a temporary yet essential organ that highlights the incredible adaptability and complexity of the human body. Understanding its function helps us appreciate the intricate processes that sustain life from the very beginning. Section 4. Practice makes perfect, the role of fetal breathing movements. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of fetal development, focusing on how unborn babies prepare for life outside the womb. While babies don't breathe air in the womb, they do practice. These practice sessions are essential for their development. It's a remarkable process that begins early in pregnancy. Around the second trimester, babies start making rhythmic chest movements that mimic breathing. These movements are not just random, they are a part of a well-coordinated effort to prepare the baby for the outside world. These movements, however, involve taking in amniotic fluid, not air. The fetus practices by moving the amniotic fluid in and out of their lungs, which is a crucial step in their respiratory development. These practice sessions are crucial for strengthening the diaphragm and other muscles needed for breathing after birth. The diaphragm, being the primary muscle used in breathing, gets a workout even before the baby is born. They also help the lungs to develop and mature, preparing them for the critical moment when the baby takes their first breath of air. This preparation ensures that the lungs are ready to function effectively, making the transition from the womb to the outside world as smooth as possible. The first breath is a monumental event in a newborn's life, and all the practice in the womb makes this moment possible. It's a testament to the incredible journey of fetal development. Section 5, Conclusion. Breathing easy before birth. As we wrap up our journey through the stages of pregnancy, it's essential to address a common misconception about fetal development. The myth of babies breathing air in the womb is understandable, but ultimately untrue. Many people imagine that babies practice breathing air while still inside the womb. But this isn't the case. The placenta, a remarkable organ, handles the vital task of oxygen exchange, ensuring the baby's needs are met throughout the pregnancy. This organ acts as the lifeline between the mother and the baby, transferring oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products. Fetal breathing movements, while not actual breathing, play a critical role in lung development and prepare the baby for life outside the womb. These movements are essential exercises that help the lungs mature and get ready for the baby's first breath of air after birth. So, while babies don't breathe air before birth, their bodies are hard at work preparing for that very first life-sustaining breath. The transition from the womb to the outside world is a complex process, and the baby's body is perfectly designed to make this transition as smooth as possible. From the moment of birth, when the baby takes that first breath, a new chapter of life begins, filled with the wonders of breathing air for the very first time.